You refuse, you refuse, you refuse to lose me. You refuse to lose me. Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the Refuse to Lose Cooking Network. So as you guys can tell, I've been getting into more of a juicing lifestyle, trying to drop a few inches as well as just getting into all out and out healthy living. So we have celery sticks, I have 3 of them. We have a fresh orange, which I'm going to peel. I just feel like it was time to get into a better eating habit. We always say, I'm going to exercise more this year. I'm going to do better with, exercising and just doing different things to, keep me right. And so this year, my decision was to go into, a better eating habit. Over the years, I've done a little bit of juicing, but I really haven't dived into it like I am now. I sometimes juice for breakfast, I sometimes juice for dinner, which is the case with what I'm doing now. Instead of you eating a big starchy meal, I'm just going to kind of drink something to help me with energy. Pineapple is always good to help with energy. Also, it's good for your metabolism. It definitely helps with that as well. And sometimes you don't want to get that bitter taste, but you still need to have those particular fruits, right? And so that's where the orange and the pineapple come in at. This is fresh pineapple, so I'm going to cut that. I just like to cut it in twos. I'm going to try to keep so much from being in my machine that don't need to be there when I'm cleaning it. So for the orange, I'm going to break that down as well. I'm going to break it down in 4. I think this is a great space for us. So, this is what it is. So I'm going to put that aside and we're going to start to juice. Now this particular machine, I love it. I feel like it's just great for catching all that you needed to catch when it comes to, the pibs, sometimes, the little seeds and those kind of things. I'm also gonna do a little bit of blending because I realize those that I'm juicing, a lot of times I do want a smoothie. And so first we're gonna do the oranges. That was fast, right? And believe it or not, you don't get the pibs or whatever they call it, because I hate those myself. But it does do a great job. So these are the oranges. And now we're going to get to the pineapples. Get me a napkin. Some people like to do the frozen fruit. I like a little bit of both, but I wanted to start off with the fresh just simply to see, how I'm able to produce it. What it really like to actually juice fresh juice. Then we're going to go with the celery. Normally I would use fresh ginger. I have to get some more, and so it is what it is. we have it. Now the crazy thing is this. We have our juice, right? This is our juice. And so when you go to clean it and you realize all the things that are not going into your cup. And I love that about this machine, because you don't get all that extra stuff that you wouldn't normally eat. So I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna move this to the side first. I'm gonna stir that up a little bit. Let's see what I get out of it. I like that. Another great one, everybody. Catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out.